Brought you to Sleepwell today?
Well, I just want to be able to treat my sleep apnea for many reasons. So I can be more productive at work, more energized, so I can be healthier, be more energetic throughout the day, and so that I can actually sleep in my $2,000 bed that I brought, not on the couch, because my snoring keeps up my partner.
Right. So do you have a lot of complaints from your partner?
Oh, she says that she can't sleep, blah blah blah. This, she says my son can't sleep, and it is what it is.
So she thinks you're snoring like a bear.
I know I snore like a bear.
Yeah.
Um,
Did you ever wake yourself up because your snoring is so bad?
oh no,
No.
I'm good when I'm sleeping. But there was a viral video that was shared amongst like my immediate friend circle in somewhat semi-viral like Instagram story of my half sister recorded me snoring at a music festival. I was taking a post day nap, um, you know, before the night part of the festival in Rosarito, and she caught me snoring, and her friends were dancing to it like it was a beat.
Ah.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that's so funny. That's crazy.